What's up guys, it is me Zane, back here with another video. I needed to do a sticker related video because you guys have just been asking so much for sticker videos, but I don't really have enough stickers to yet showcase. Okay, one sec. Please excuse my bootleg setup. I need something to be leveled so I don't have to go like... You guys have been asking way too many questions on how to get the free stickers and just questions about them that are pretty commonsensical questions. It's okay, everyone learns in life, and that's what life is. We all learn from our mistakes. I'm gonna be doing a Q&A at the end of this video where I answer your questions on just how the stickers get to me or get to you, like will it work, whatever, etc. So just watch till the end if you have any questions about after this. So let's start off with the tutorial. What you're gonna be needing for this is a device that can connect to the internet and use a browser, aka a phone, a computer, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna head to our computer right here. So what we're gonna be needing to do first, the first things first, is to find a company that you can get the stickers from. First thing that you're going to want to do is look up your company's name. So in my case, the company that I'm going to be looking up is Cosmetic Gasket. If you look it up on Google, hopefully you're going to see something that says contact. So if that doesn't happen, just go on the site like this, and you're just going to want to scroll down until you find, sorry, my computer's pretty slow today. You're just going to want to go and find the contact us. You're going to want to find the contact us section. It's either going to be, it might be under customer support, it might be under about us, it might be help and service. Just click on contact us, and there should be an email right here. There we go, email support or email us. So you're going to want to click on email us. Basically, you're going to want to send an email to the email that they give you to contact them, and the subject will be stickers, or if you don't want to sound so demanding, you're going to want to say, I'm a big fan. Now, everyone asks me, what do you write in these emails that obtains you stickers? Well, I can answer that question. What you're going to write is this. Hi, I'm a huge fan of your company. Your stuff is great, and I love your products. To show my love, I was wondering if you guys could be able to send me promotional items such as stickers, hats, t-shirts, magnets, pens, etc. Whatever. You really just want to get the most out of it. So also you want to butter them up so much so they actually give it to you. So just butter them up basically. Okay, and now you're done your message, but you need to include your address. A lot of people have been commenting in the comment section of my videos.
Oh, I really don't want to expose my address to these companies.
I don't care. Like, what are they gonna do? Sell it to the government? Like, no, they're not gonna do anything with it. Probably gonna erase the message after they send you the stickers. So if you're really not that comfortable, I completely understand, but the average person, I would say, is probably comfortable. So then you're gonna say, thank you. My address is, and put in your full shipping address, postal code, province/state, you know, okay? Then you hit the send button. And you wait. So it's just as simple as that. Now time to answer your question. First question comes from Roblox Hacks. Do companies reply quick? It all depends. I've had companies that have replied 3 months late. I've had companies that have replied 1 month late. I've had companies that have replied after 2 days. I've had companies that have replied after 10 minutes. It all depends. Most of the time, companies reply maybe after 1 to 4 days. I can't really say. Okay, I probably don't even have that many. Big question. How long do the stickers take to come in / how long do they take to ship? Will they come? How long will it take? Will it even work where I live? Those kind of questions. I'm gonna answer that as a whole. It all depends where you live. It all depends where you live and where the headquarters are established. If they don't have a headquarters in your country/state, it'll take longer because they're coming from the US. Some companies don't even send the stickers because they know it's gonna cost a lot of money with shipping. So yeah, some companies are willing to pay that fee, or they're gonna ask you to pay that fee, and at that point, like, why? It's stickers, just don't. It all depends. Even if you have a headquarters located in your state or country, it'll still take like a week, so don't wait. And then there's some people who just express ship it. So some people are willing to do anything for their fans, and some are not. Another question is, do they charge for shipping? No. Well, it all depends again. Do they charge for shipping? Most companies don't. Listen, it's not a free lunch. Some companies will say that they don't have anymore, or they just don't want to. Some companies will decline because of where you are and where you're asking to get them. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next sticker video, and watch out for your stickers in the mail. See you guys later. Peace.